Hey everyone, welcome back. Have your YouTube Shorts views suddenly dropped after a recent update? You're not alone, and no, your channel isn't broken. In this video, I'll explain what changed and what you should do now in 2026. Step 1. The Shorts algorithm now prioritizes viewer satisfaction, not just swipe volume. Earlier, quick views were enough. Now YouTube measures watch time per viewer, replays, and whether people stop scrolling to watch. If viewers swipe away in the first 1 or 2 seconds, reach drops fast. Step 2. Retention is more important than ever. YouTube's update heavily rewards shorts that people watch more than once, or nearly to the end. If your hook is weak, or the video gets boring after the first few seconds, distribution slows down. Step 3. Engagement signals changed. Likes and comments still matter, but now shares and rewatches have stronger weight. Shorts that get shared in DMs or rewatched tell YouTube the content is addictive. Step 4. Niche consistency matters more. If you post random topics, the system struggles to identify your audience. After the update, channels that stick to one clear niche are seeing more stable views. Step 5. Viewer fatigue is real. If you post too frequently with similar content, your own audience may skip your shorts. That lowers performance signals and reduces reach. Step 6. Content originality detection improved. Reused clips, TikTok watermarks, or recycled trends are being pushed less. Original editing and fresh ideas are getting priority. Step 7. Geographic testing changed. Shorts are now tested with smaller groups before wider distribution. If early viewers don't engage, the video doesn't scale. So if your shorts views dropped after the update, it's not a punishment. It's a shift toward quality signals like retention, rewatch value, and niche clarity. Focus on stronger hooks, shorter pacing, and more engaging content, and your reach will recover. That's what changed with YouTube Shorts and how to adapt in 2026. Subscribe for more creator growth tips, and I'll see you in the next video.